Across vast valleys and unforgiving ridgelines, the battlefield extends beyond sight. In terrain that restricts movement and obscures vision, awareness becomes the ultimate advantage. Unmanned systems rise above, watching, tracking, striking, and delivering beyond human reach. From relentless surveillance to precision engagement and tactical logistics, drones are adding a new and decisive dimension in operations. At Northtech, industry and academia join hands with Indian Army to make it happen. These capabilities are forged, tested, and brought to life, shaping the future of warfare in real time. Witness the evolution. Join the convergence at Northtech Symposium.